Coming in, LJP President and Union Minister Chirag Paswan has given a statement stating that the Mahagathbandhan was a confused alliance. He further stated, and I quote, "I say with confidence that the NDA alliance is moving towards a historic victory." Let's listen in.
देखिए, हम लोग जितना भ्रम फैलाया जा रहा था एनडीए को लेकर, और मैंने इस बात को कहा था कि एनडीए में बहुत सहजता से, बहुत एमिकेबली सारी बातों का फैसला, निर्णय हो जाएगा। भले वो सीटों की संख्या की बात हो, सीटों के चयन की बात हो, प्रत्याशी तय करने की बात हो, समय रहते हर एक चीज एनडीए तमाम नेताओं, पांचों दलों के द्वारा तय कर ली गई। पर वही ताज्जुब इस बात का, और मुझे लगता है कि शायद ना के बराबर कोई और दूसरा ऐसा उदाहरण इससे पहले के किसी और चुनाव में होगा, जहां पे पहले चरण का नामांकन समाप्त हो जाता है और दूसरे गठबंधन के द्वारा सीटों के चयन तो बहुत दूर की बात है, संख्या तक की घोषणा नहीं हो पाती।
Anand, big statement coming from Chirag Paswan. Over to you.
Yeah, Vaishali, look, earlier we have seen that how the Grand Alliance had been mocking the National Democratic Alliance, that is the NDA in Bihar, that how there was utter confusion over seat sharing formula and also on several other parties fielding candidates against each other. So clearly now Chirag Paswan, who is also the Lok Jan Shakti Party Ram Vilas Paswan's chief, he has mentioned that since day one, he has been claiming that all is well within the NDA camp and there was no confusion on any candidates or seat selection or seat sharing formula. And thus he mentioned that in the Grand Alliance, there is utter confusion over the seat sharing as they are yet to announce the seat sharing formula for the state, and there is no clarity that on how much seats which party will contest. So clearly he mentioned that the NDA alliance is going to form government after the polls in Bihar, which is scheduled in two phases on November 6th and November 11th, for which the counting of votes will take place on November 14th. Back to you.
Stay with me, Anand. I'll come back to you now. Viewers, the Deputy Chairperson of Rajya Sabha, Harivansh